conservation is one of the tough jobs because it is not easy to see the results and particularly making a difference which is going to last for long. With the one tree planted and the World Resources Institute, we started really working together on restoration about 6 years ago. And this has been a journey where everybody is talking about restoration, tree planting, and we have learned a lot. I want to take the opportunity to thank particularly our farmers who have worked with. They are the true champions, and our farmers have been, instead of being the learners, they have been the partners. This is why we really value this restoration movement going on. UN Decade on Ecosystem Restoration is very, very, very important because the development is going very fast. The environment degradation, biodiversity loss, all this accelerated by climate change is very fast. So we needed to invest in restoration and particularly with the community.
Ndashima ARCOS cyane uburyo dukoreye ibintu byo kuduteza imbere bitandukanye mu kuduha amapipinieri tugakora bakaduha ibiti bivangwa n'imyaka bityo tukabasha kubona umusaruro ndetse tukabona n'imvura ku gihe ugereranyije na mbere tari yaza iwacu. ARCOS rero yaduhaye n'ikigega kiduha amafaranga kandi presidente wacyo no kuvanga abanyamuryango bakiganye bagize aho bava bagira naho bagera ugereranyije na mbere. Umva bateye imbere bamwe bakora ibikorwa bitandukanye kuvuga ngo buri muntu akora umushinga akurikije uko abyumva bityo bafite aho bavuye naho bageze. ARCOS rero ntiyawemye kuduteza imbere n'ubu ngiye yampaye biogaze kuvuga ngo nabaga mfite ikibazo n'abana bagiye ku ishuri nka buryo mbatekera ariko no kuvuga ngo cyarakemutse kiraho inkono abana bakajya kwiga ubundi amashyamba ntabwo tukiyangiza kubera iyo biogaze ndayishima cyane.
ARCOS has undoubtedly set a high standards in engaging communities, diligently monitoring their work and fostering an incredible partnership with us. Together we have made a significant impact, not only in Rwanda but across the globe. Just last week, One Tree Planted celebrated the remarkable milestone of planting 100 million trees worldwide. And it brings me great joy to acknowledge that ARCOS played a vital role in achieving this monumental feat. Your dedication to restoration work serves as an inspiration to us all, and we are truly privileged to have you as our esteemed partner.